Top 4 best cheese to flush out toxins and repair kidneys. If you have kidney problems, you may think cheese is something you must stop eating. Many people with kidney disease feel confused and even scared when they see so many types of cheese in the store. Is cheese bad for my kidneys? Can I still eat it without making my condition worse? Here's the truth. Not all cheese is bad for your kidneys. Some types of cheese, when eaten in the right amount, can actually fit into a kidney-friendly diet. The key is knowing which cheese to choose and which ones to avoid. In today's video, we will talk about the top 4 best cheeses that may help reduce toxins and support kidney health. We'll explain why these cheeses are safer, what nutrients they have, and how to eat them the right way. Everything will be explained in a simple and clear way so anyone can understand. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'll also share a very important tip that many kidney patients don't know, and it could help you avoid making a serious diet mistake. On soft cheese. Let's start with the first group of cheese that many kidney patients can enjoy more safely. But before we begin, drop your name and the city you're watching from in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Soft cheese. Soft cheese might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to protecting your kidneys, but it can actually be a smart and surprisingly gentle choice when used the right way. Its soft, creamy texture makes it incredibly versatile. You can spread it on whole grain bread, add it to light sauces, mix it into healthy dips, or pair it with crackers for a quick snack. Because it's rich and satisfying, you don't need much to enjoy it, which naturally helps with portion control. Some common soft cheeses include cottage cheese, cream cheese, ricotta, mascarpone, penne, and quark. Chances are, you already have one of these sitting in your fridge without realizing it could be a better option for your kidneys compared to harder, more processed cheeses. So what makes soft cheese more kidney-friendly? First, it's typically lower in sodium. That's a big deal. Too much salt can raise blood pressure, and high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Choosing lower sodium foods helps reduce that pressure and supports healthier fluid balance in your body. Second, soft cheeses usually contain less phosphorus than aged or hard cheeses. This matters because when kidneys aren't functioning well, phosphorus can build up in the blood. Over time, this can lead to bone weakness, skin irritation, and even heart issues. Soft cheeses fit better into a kidney-conscious diet because they place less strain on your body's ability to manage these minerals. Another advantage is simplicity. Many soft cheeses are less processed and contain fewer additives. Hard and processed cheeses often include phosphate additives that are quickly absorbed and can be harmful, especially for people with kidney concerns. Softer options like ricotta, penne, or cottage cheese are often closer to their natural form, making them a cleaner choice. Protein is another important factor. Soft cheese provides a moderate amount, enough to support muscle health without overwhelming your kidneys. The key, as always, is balance. A small portion can give you flavor, satisfaction, and nutrition without adding unnecessary stress. In the end, soft cheese isn't just about taste. It's about making smarter, more supportive choices. When you choose wisely and keep portions in check, it can easily become part of a kidney-friendly routine that helps your body feel better, not worse. Number 2. Semi-soft cheese. Now let's move on to semi-soft cheese, a category that sits right in the middle. It's firmer than soft cheese, but still smooth, easy to eat, and incredibly versatile. This is the type of cheese many people use without even thinking twice, melting it over warm dishes, crumbling it into salads, or adding it to simple meals for extra flavor. And here's the good news, when used wisely, semi-soft cheese can fit into a kidney-friendly lifestyle. Some popular examples include mozzarella, feta, goat cheese, and halloumi. You've probably seen these in everyday foods like sandwiches, salads, or home-cooked dishes. They're convenient, tasty, and because of their rich flavor, you don't need a large amount to enjoy them. That alone is a big advantage if you're trying to protect your kidneys, because portion control becomes much easier. So, are semi-soft cheeses safe for your kidneys? The honest answer is yes, but it depends on the type you choose and how much you eat. Among all of them, mozzarella often stands out as one of the better options. It typically contains less sodium compared to cheeses like feta or halloumi. And that matters more than most people realize. Too much salt can increase blood pressure and cause fluid retention, both of which put extra strain on your kidneys over time. Another benefit is phosphorus content. Semi-soft cheeses generally contain less phosphorus than hard, aged cheeses. This is important because when kidney function declines, phosphorus can build up in the blood and lead to problems like weak bones or heart complications. Choosing foods naturally lower in phosphorus helps reduce that hidden stress on your body. There's also the issue of additives. Many processed cheeses are packed with phosphate preservatives that are almost completely absorbed by the body, making them especially harmful for kidney health. Semi-soft cheeses, especially more natural options like fresh mozzarella or goat cheese, tend to contain fewer of these additives, making them a cleaner and safer choice. However, not all semi-soft cheeses are equal. Feta and halloumi, for example, are often stored in brine, which makes them much higher in sodium. That doesn't mean you have to avoid them completely, but it does mean you should enjoy them in small amounts and not every day. A simple trick like rinsing feta under water can help remove some of the surface salt. Protein is another factor to consider. Semi-soft cheeses provide a moderate amount, enough to support muscle health without overwhelming your kidneys. But again, balance is key. A small serving is usually all you need to get the flavor and benefits without adding unnecessary strain. At the end of the day, semi-soft cheese can absolutely be part of a kidney-friendly diet. The key is making smarter choices, like choosing lower sodium options such as mozzarella, watching your portions, and limiting salter varieties. Small decisions like these can make a big difference over time. And if this kind of simple, practical advice is helping you, consider subscribing so you don't miss future tips. Also, drop a comment below. I'd love to know where you're watching from and how old you are. It helps me create content that's even more useful for you. Number 3. Hard cheese. Now let's talk about hard cheese, the kind most people love the most, but also the one you need to approach with the most caution if you care about your kidney health. Hard cheeses have a firm texture and a bold, rich flavor. That's exactly why they're so popular. A small slice of cheddar, a sprinkle of Parmesan, or a bit of Gouda can instantly make a meal taste better. But here's the problem, because the flavor is so strong and satisfying, many people end up eating it almost every day without realizing the hidden impact on their kidneys. Some common examples include cheddar, Edam, Swiss, Emmental, Gouda, Parmesan, and blue cheeses like Gorgonzola or Danish Blue. These cheeses may look harmless on your plate, but nutritionally, they're very different from softer options. So, are hard cheeses kidney-friendly? Not really, but that doesn't mean they're completely off limits. It just means you need to be more mindful. The first issue is sodium. Most hard cheeses are relatively high in salt. And as you already know, too much sodium can raise blood pressure and cause fluid retention. Over time, that puts extra strain on your kidneys, forcing them to work harder than they should. For someone already dealing with kidney concerns, this can quietly speed up damage. One slight exception is Emmental, which tends to be lower in salt compared to many other hard cheeses, making it a slightly better option if you choose to indulge. The second and even more important concern is phosphorus. Hard cheeses are naturally high in phosphorus, and this can become a serious problem when kidney function declines. When your kidneys can't remove excess phosphorus effectively, it builds up in your blood. This can lead to weak bones, joint discomfort, itchy skin, and even increase the risk of heart disease. It's one of those hidden issues that doesn't show up immediately but can cause long-term harm. To make things worse, some hard cheeses, especially processed or certain blue varieties, may contain added phosphates. These additives are absorbed almost completely by the body, making them even more harmful than natural sources of phosphorus. So does this mean you have to give up hard cheese forever? Not at all. The key is moderation and awareness. Because the flavor is so strong, you don't need much. A thin slice or a light sprinkle can still give you that satisfying taste without overwhelming your system. Think of hard cheese as an occasional treat, not a daily habit. If you do choose to include it, go for lower sodium options when possible, keep portions small, and avoid eating it every day. That simple shift can make a big difference over time. Number 4. Plant-based cheese. Finally, let's talk about plant-based cheese, a choice that sounds healthy on the surface, but isn't always as kidney-friendly as people expect. Many assume that anything labeled plant-based is automatically better for the body. But when it comes to protecting your kidneys, the reality is a bit more complicated. Plant-based cheeses are usually made from ingredients like nuts, seeds, or starches. Common options include cashew cheese, almond cheese, and rice-based varieties. These products are especially popular among people following vegan or dairy-free diets. But here's the key question: are they actually good for your kidneys? In many cases, they're not the best choice, especially if you're dealing with kidney issues. One of the biggest concerns is sodium. To improve flavor and texture, many plant-based cheeses contain surprisingly high amounts of salt. And as you already know, excess sodium can raise blood pressure and cause your body to retain fluid. Over time, this puts extra strain on your kidneys and can accelerate damage if your kidney function is already reduced. Another hidden issue is saturated fat. Many plant-based cheeses rely heavily on coconut oil to create that creamy texture. While it's plant-based, coconut oil is still high in saturated fat, which can raise cholesterol levels. This matters because kidney disease and heart health are closely connected. When heart health declines, kidney function often follows. There's also the issue of processing. Some plant-based cheeses contain phosphate additives, refined starches, and long ingredient lists. These highly processed ingredients can be harder for your body to manage and may quietly add to your daily mineral load, something your kidneys have to work harder to filter. So, does this mean you have to avoid plant-based cheese completely? Not necessarily. If you follow a vegan or dairy-free lifestyle, it may still have a place in your diet, but with caution. The key is to be selective. Always check the nutrition label. Look for options that are lower in sodium, free from phosphate additives, and made with simple, recognizable ingredients. And just like any type of cheese, portion size matters. Even the better options should be enjoyed in small amounts, not every day. At the end of the day, plant-based cheese isn't automatically kidney-friendly. It can be part of your diet, but only when chosen carefully. Because when it comes to your kidneys, it's not about trends, it's about making smart, informed choices that truly support your health. Let's wrap this up with one simple truth that most people overlook. Just because something is labeled plant-based doesn't automatically mean it's good for your kidneys. It sounds healthy, but many plant-based cheeses are loaded with hidden salt and saturated fats that can quietly put extra stress on your body. That doesn't mean you have to avoid them completely, just be smart. Check the labels, choose cleaner options, and keep your portions small. Now here's the bigger picture. Cheese itself is not the enemy. The real difference comes down to the type you choose, how much you eat, and how often you eat it. Those small decisions matter more than you think. We've covered 4 main types. Soft cheeses and some semi-soft options can be better choices when eaten in moderation. Hard cheeses, while delicious, should be limited because of their higher salt and phosphorus content. And plant-based cheese? It's not always the healthy alternative people assume, especially for kidney health. The key takeaway is this: you don't need a perfect diet, you need a smarter one. Small changes, like choosing a lower sodium option or reducing portion size, can reduce stress on your kidneys and help your body function better over time. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple kidney health tips. And feel free to drop a comment below. Your question might inspire the next video.